In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bio link website with Canva. A bio link site is a simple, mobile-friendly page that holds all your important links in one place. Perfect for social media profiles. Canva makes this fast and beginner-friendly, so let's walk through it together from start to finish. First, open Canva. In the search bar on the home page, type bio link website or link in bio. You'll see a gallery of ready-made designs. Pick a template that matches your style and the type of content you'll be sharing. Clean, minimal layouts work especially well because they're easy to read on smaller screens. Now customize your design to reflect your brand. Replace the placeholder image with your profile picture or logo. Add your name and adjust the colors and fonts to match your brand palette. Keep readability in mind. High contrast between text and background, clear headings, and consistent spacing go a long way. Use the drag and drop editor to add text boxes for short descriptions or calls to action. You can also bring in graphic elements, such as social media icons, to make your links easy to recognize at a glance. As you structure the page, aim for a single scrolling layout. Stack sections vertically. Keep blocks of text brief, and use buttons or icon labels to guide people to your most important destinations. Since most visitors will be on a phone, preview your layout frequently and make sure tap targets like buttons are large enough and spaced apart. Next, add your hyperlinks. Click on any text, button, or graphic that should take visitors somewhere. In the floating toolbar, select the link icon that looks like a chain link. Paste or type the destination URL, then click Apply. Repeat this for each link you want to include, such as your social profiles, website, portfolio, store, newsletter, or latest content. Keep labels clear and avoid stuffing too many links on the page. Prioritize what you want people to do first. When your layout looks good, click Preview. Flip between desktop and mobile views to check spacing, alignment, and legibility. And test every link to confirm it opens the correct page. Make any final adjustments to font size, color contrast, and button order to improve clarity and conversion. Once you are satisfied, click Share, then click Website. Then click the Publish Website button in the top right corner. Your bio link site is now live and ready to share wherever you need a single simple hub for all your links. Thanks for watching.